Nikki's kitchen. Today we are making shrimp fried rice. So now we are adding 3 tablespoons of oil and we have to keep heat on the medium high. So you can see that I have put my pot just few minutes before. So now I am adding onion. Onion you need to caramelize a little bit, like not like too much brown, but slightly brown. So now I am adding 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and curry powder is really very tasty for the rice, and it's good flavor, little bit spicy. So after that I will add my rice. I have 3.5 cup rice. Once we add rice, we need to little bit saute the oil and spice. So you will get little bit roasted with this, and my heat is low, so we don't have to get burned. So friends, now you can see that my rice roasted very well. At this point I will add just a tablespoon of salt, because that curry powder have little bit salt in it, so we have to watch that. And at this point I will add 2 cups of chicken broth and also 1.5 cups water. So friends, I add white pepper, black pepper and salt, and we will marinate with that. And also we'll put couple tablespoon of oil to fry our shrimp. So now our oil is enough hot, so we will add shrimp. So now you can see that we have cooked our shrimp one side very well, and then we will cook another side. So you can see that one side is getting very brown. So now we take it out our shrimp and we are adding carrot. And you can see that we have enough oil, so we can let it cook a little bit carrot. So at this point I will add our paste. So at this point I will add 2 tablespoons of ginger, and ginger will make this difference in the taste. You will love it. Try this well and it will make very tasty. At this point we will add our 4 scrambled eggs. And let it cook for a little bit. So now you can see that our eggs frying very well. We just need maybe a minute or something. And at this point I will feel like to mix it well. So friends, at this point you can see that our eggs and veggies are done very well, and I will add rice. At this point we will add our shrimp, and we will let it go all this nice stuff. At this moment I will add couple tablespoons of soy sauce, and this is light soy sauce and also with the low sodium. So shrimp fried rice majority with a lot of salt, so I want you to watch these all ingredients that don't harm our health and is healthy. So now our shrimp fried rice is done. You can see that it's really very good rice and also shrimps. So at this point, I will turn off stove.
Hello friends, this is the dish. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and comment.